Hello boys and girls, we are on day 4, week 19, math for today. And the first question says, Samantha is planting tomatoes. She plants 5 rows of 4 tomatoes. How many tomato seedlings does Samantha plant all together? This word all together tells you you're either going to multiply or add. And where we have rows, that's going to be a clue word to tell you to multiply or divide. So we're going to multiply 5 times 4. You can draw a picture if you need to. You can actually illustrate using an array, 5 rows of 4. Otherwise, you can just skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20. So my answer is 20. Lake Erie is 241 miles long. Lake Ontario is 193 miles long. How many miles long are Lake Erie and Lake Ontario all together? Once again, all together is going to tell you to multiply or add. And we don't have the word each or same or times. So that's going to tell us we are probably going to add 241 plus 193. So 1 plus 3 equals 4 ones. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So let's just carry that 100. 100 plus 100 plus 200 is 400. 434. Show 2 ways to solve this problem. You can write 8 times 2 is 16 times 5. And you can illustrate 16 times 5 by drawing a bar graph, cutting it into fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put 10, 5, and 1. 10, 5, and 1. That equals 16, right? And then you can skip count. So each of my blocks has 16 in it. 10, 5, plus 1 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So my answer is 80. Another way you can show 8 times 5 times 2 is by doing an array. So what would you would do is 8 times 2, or you could do 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So you could do 10 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To do that as an array, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm having a hard time because I'll run out of room. 6, 7, 8. If you use this as a row, you would do 10 out. You could also use base 10 blocks and do a rod is 10, and you just do 10 8 times. And then you count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now, 24 divided by 8. So what times 8 equals 24? 3 times 8. What times 6 equals 30? 5 times 6. What times 2 equals 19? The good thing about 2's is you just got to think of your doubles facts. 7 times 7 is 14. 8 times 8 is 16. 9 times 9 is 18. So, or 9 plus 9 is 18. So the answer would be 9. And that concludes today's lesson.